Just got off the bus like a few minutes ago, just unpacking the bike. Well, only the pedals left in there. It's almost together already. Luckily, everything seems to be in pretty good shape right now. I was a little bit scared that the derailleur might be damaged because I didn't really have any protection, but everything seems good, which is nice. Okay, things are starting to come together a little bit. I got the panniers and the tent and the sleeping pad on. Got a little bit of stuff strewn about. Got my shorts on. Into my clothes for biking and changing out my pants. Gotta find a place to throw this away. But after that, I'll probably just go to a supermarket really quickly. Maybe go to the washroom, get some water and all that. And probably be on our way for today. It's currently 7:41. Let's do it. Okay. We are off right now. A little bit bumpy, I'll be honest. Just hang on to the trail though. Okay. A lot of mosquitoes here. Currently 8 kilometers in. I haven't seen a single person yet while I've been on the trail. So I don't know, I wouldn't mind seeing people, but it's pretty quiet. It's also good. There he is. Damn, look at him here. He's like stomping and all that. I don't know if he likes me that much. Look at those horns though. See the stomping? He's doing stomping. He's stomping. I don't want him to. It's a cool thing. I've never seen one of those. I don't even know what that is. I don't want to call it like a mountain goat and then be embarrassed because it's probably not a mountain goat. Here, buddy, go over the fence. See the stomping? I don't think. Currently like 20k in, been going pretty slow, but look at all these mountains. Holy, these are awesome. They're huge. That's cool. Yeah. Okay, 37.7k in, and the time is currently 11:51. Pretty much, I'm pretty happy right now with the road. It's a gravel road. It's super wide and it's pretty quiet. Plenty of room for passing for the cars. I definitely preferred this to the first trail. It was so slow going. If it was more, I hope there's more of this. And look at, it's still got the beautiful views way over there. So I like this currently. And I think it'll stay like this for quite a while. We'll see. And I'm not sure how many more than 80k I'll be able to do today. Because I know there's that campsite. I believe it was like around 82 kilometers. But I'm not sure what's after that. Wow, look at the mountains though. Beautiful scenery, almost the best ever that I've biked in. Yeah. I put on sunscreen like 4 times probably. I definitely don't want to get burned. Stopped for a total of maybe 40 minutes. Fair bit. Actually probably a bit less. Yeah. And the odd car comes along. Here's one. Shit. First bear of the trip. Ah, shoot. He's in the bush right there. Dinner tonight, it's just rice. Like the Uncle Ben's with little bit of tuna, and then on one of those wraps. It's really basic. Okay, it's currently 5:41. Got up maybe 10 minutes ago. Slept pretty well, considering the campsite. No notable things happened at night. Pretty tired, I guess. But gonna try and do a pretty big day today. Maybe even get to spar wood. We'll see. We'll see the terrain, what the terrain looks like. Yeah. Just finished that big climb. As you can see, the trail's kind of going downhill. Look at that view, that backdrop of the Rocky Mountains, though. Pretty nice. Just getting back from there. And today's pretty much, it's a net downhill of probably 600-ish meters. It's a 500 or 600, which is pretty good, and I think the terrain's going to be quite a bit easier. So that'll be good. Slept pretty well last night. There was actually people right across the river from me also stealth camping. They were pretty far away. I honestly slept better than I thought I would. I got up maybe like once or so. I was pretty tired though, because I didn't really sleep on that bus that much. Although I was kind of stressing a little bit last night, because every single campsite was full, and then when I was looking around for like a stealth camping spot, I saw a black bear, which isn't like a huge deal, but it's just like, yeah. Okay guys, I just saw a grizzly bear, maybe 5 minutes ago. I was biking down this hill. It was pretty open, it was less windy than this, and it was pretty far away, probably 125 feet away. I saw a grizzly bear it was on the left-hand side of the trail, and I saw it running across into the forest. So I immediately stopped. It was like, oh fuck. Went up the hill a little bit, started like talking, got the bear banger equipped, and got my bear spray out of my back. And I pretty much just waited, and then I went by really slow, making a fair bit of noise. Luckily, he or she, I think, didn't really want to interact with me today, which is very nice. I appreciate it a lot. It was a little bit scary though, but I mean, it's gonna happen. This is like pretty good grizzly country. Perfect almost. Gee, I don't really want to see another one. One is enough. Just taking a little break, and I noticed something. Look, we are in BC now. Again. I'm not sure if I'll head back out of BC actually. This might be. I think Alberta is literally a couple hundred meters away. I didn't see any sign that's like welcome to BC, because it was on like a logging road pretty much. But we're here, BC. It's cool. And it's pretty cool. Let's turn on the flashlight. Look at those. It's got the bunk beds, table, fireplace. This would be nice on like a rainy day. And you might not be able to see, but it's got writing literally all over the walls. People who have been here. Feels like I'm in like the middle of nowhere, but then I see, look, horses. Hey. I guess they... Okay, just entered Elkford. Still got no cell service. I think I probably will get into the power lines. Wow. Pretty excited to see what's in Elkford. Maybe if there's a good place to have lunch. Yeah. I think I got like a climb. I don't really see it, but apparently it's somewhere. Oh. Just made it to Fernie, and I am pretty tired. 144K so far, and almost 10 hours. So yeah. Okay, so basically I'm in Fernie. Couldn't find any place to camp. So after looking for a pretty long time, I remember the visitor center. Decided, hey, why not go behind the back? Tents at the back over there. And there's running water over there. Toilet over there. And then this is the garbage, but basically it's like empty, and I opened up the back and I put my bear bag right, it's not in the garbage bag, but it's like in this garbage box. It's like my homemade bear box. Sort of cool. I'll probably be packing up at like 7-ish tomorrow, so that probably won't be a problem having the tent here. Okay, just packing up. It's 6:11. Didn't sleep great, to be honest. It's just too close to the road, and it's literally right out in the open. A little bit more privacy would have been nice. Got some cows here. Look at this guy. Hello, aw. He's very cute. They're all just relaxing. And this guy's just standing here. For some reason, I didn't expect this to be the place to have cows, but I guess it is. I thought in the winter it'd be too cold, and where's all the grass that they're eating? Like they're eating something. Some sort of grass. Okay. 55K in today. And the scenery has changed quite a lot. It's almost a lot more arid now. There's more of these like warm weather type trees, like almost like kind you see in Arizona. And it's pretty hot. I think it's probably mid-high 30s, maybe 36 or something. And it's about 12. So it'll probably stay about this hot for maybe 2 hours. Probably cool down a little bit. Let's see where we are on the map. The trail has been a little bit of a hassle following for a little bit. Although it seems to have gotten a lot easier now. We are right here. And there's Baines Lake. And then up, that's Cranbrook. Okay, probably about a bit less than halfway there. And then tomorrow, well, I'm not excited about tomorrow. There's like a huge climb. That thing. Jesus. It's gonna be like a hike for probably a few hours. Okay, day 4. Right now we're dealing with this nice paved bike trail, super fast, super awesome, heading up to Kimberley. And then when I'm at Kimberley, I got a really big climb today. Probably gonna sleep. I'm at like probably 950 meters right now. I'm gonna sleep at like 2,000, 2,100. So got like an 1,100 meter elevation gain today. Quite a bit. About 40K in. I found a little I don't even know what this is. Huh. But there's more. That's some sort of skin, some sort of hide or something. Check out this old ride here. Ooh, beauty. Pop. Okay. Going up the hill right now. Saw this cool old shelter thing. Let's see what's happening in there. Be good emergency shelter if it start like snowing or pouring or something. Saw an older couple earlier and they're doing like 60K a day on average. They were nice. Had a pretty long chat with them. Hopefully I see some other people doing the BC Trail. I think I will. I'm pretty sure I will. But yeah, let's go up. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Just doing the big climb up to the bulldog tunnel thing, and check this out. This is so weird. It's like a little mini cabin, but this door is probably less than 4 feet tall. And look how small it is on the inside. My God, it's tiny. What is this? Who made this? And check it out, the roof is just like, okay, start of day 6, I think. I slept right here last night. I literally got to the campsite in the dark. Should have probably gone to one of the ones up the trail, maybe 10K. This isn't really a campsite. The other ones had like bathrooms and picnic tables and stuff, but this will do, this works. It's almost 8 o'clock, which is pretty late start for me. Just wasn't feeling that motivated this morning. And I'm like still, I have to do my laundry, but I don't really want to spend that much time doing that. Okay, on my way to Grand Forks. I about 12.5K out. Currently 12. Super hot though. Pretty sure this is the Kettle Valley Rail Trail now. It's like 31 degrees. I got both the water bottles there. Got one Dr. Pepper there, a bottle of water, and then another bottle of water on my back. It's probably about 3 liters of fluids. Just on that Kettle Valley Limestone, check this out. Whoa. If it was raining and stuff, I would so camp here. That'd be so cool. Got 4 bunk beds, big table, guest book. Cycling from New Mexico to Vancouver. Huh. I'll write my name in this. This would be so awesome in like a rainstorm. Really. That'd be so cool. Go 5K at a Rock Creek. Went to the campsite for the night. Did my laundry, had a shower. Cleaned everything up. Definitely needed. So I'll probably not stay at any more campsites for the rest of the trip. Oh, what's the name of the bridge? It's like Todd Creek Bridge or something. Just standing up here. Walking across. Wow. Look at that, she's a pro. This one's a little skinny. Let's do these. 64K into for the day. It was raining and thundering. And when I woke up today, it was raining as well. So, been a fair bit of rain today. Here's the clouds look like it's. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna be done this in 3 nights. Yeah, not 2. 2 would be too fast for me. So I think it'll be 3 nights. And I'll still be pushing actually with 3 nights. It'll just be a little bit more relaxed. The rain is back just high under this tree right now. Again, there's like thunder every once in a while. Just not that fun right now. Definitely a bit of a low point, but that's okay. Okay, just came across this cabin. Sort of a cabin. It's like open. Bike's right there. Probably just gonna wait for the rain for a little bit. It feels like I'm not doing anything right now. And I've only gone 70 kilometers today, which is definitely not enough, but I really don't want to be in this rain right now. It's just not that fun. And I'm going so slow anyway. Pretty much back to the same weather as it was earlier. Maybe even, probably not worse, but about the same. Got my rain jacket on again, and then my sweater underneath. This kind of sucks. Hopefully it'll stop, although this time it looks like it's a bit more. Got the campsite, $12. So rainy, ton. About 2 kilometers into day 8. Super cold. A lot of things are wet. Honestly, not the greatest start to the day. Although I did get moving pretty early. It's just now 7:14 and I started just before 7, so that's good. See how far I can get today. See if I can dry out some of this stuff. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna rain again. Although it did rain in the middle of the night. And I had stuff on like a clothesline drying rack, so all out got wet again. Yeah, it wasn't a great night. Although I honestly didn't sleep terribly. Okay. Currently heading downhill towards Penticton from Myra Canyon, I think it was called. It was really nice, but it was really touristy, really busy. Tons of people on bikes just doing like the little loop there. And then also, I was trying to take a photo there. I was taking my phone out of the mount, and like part of it was in. I hit a bump on the trestle. Phone comes flying out, hits the ground, starts moving, and I can like I just know where it's headed. It's headed down the trestle. So it jump, and then it slips through a crack, and I'm like, oh fuck. It's gone down probably like 50 meters plus. Probably a lot more actually. And so I look down there and it's like, oh, it's just landed right on the beam right below below the wood part, which was so lucky. So I'm super thankful that my phone didn't get dropped down there, because came across the sign. Rattlesnake season. Okay, quick tour on the camping situation. Stealth camping tonight, which is fine. Sun has just set a couple minutes to go. You can see town, city, whatever is right over there. And trail really close right here. But I'll be gone probably at 6:30 tomorrow, so it probably won't be a big problem. You can definitely see the camp from the trail though. But that's okay. Yeah, under a nice little tree here. Didn't even take the panniers off. Feel like I'm getting pretty good with organization now. Which will be good for next trip, I guess. This out. Don't want to go too far in, but wow. like a mine shaft. Holy cow. Oh, it doesn't go in very deep. Oh, there's one. Look, there's one. There's one. What are those? So badly want it. It's a pretty big chunk of the trail taken out. It should go right across, but it doesn't. Good morning. Just so you can see how cold it is. Last night, there's ice on. There's ice on my bike bag. This is frozen. Sheesh, it was so cold last night. In my 16 degrees Celsius sleeping bag. Had pants on, had the toucan and socks, but still really cold. Not excited to bike on the highway for that long though. Also, I won't be able to do GPS this time because my power bank's running low as is, so that's okay. I hate it, but I think 12 more kilometers to Coquihalla, and then I'm gonna stop in Hope, and I'm gonna see what to do next to get to Chilliwack. Yeah, that's that.